If you take one of these supplements, I'm about to ruin your day. Because you might be pregnant and not know it, thanks to this absolutely obscene amount of biotin you will find in hair nail supplements. How's this possible, you ask? Well, it turns out that biotin actually suppresses a lot of different hormonal tests. In the case of pregnancy tests, it's actually suppressing human chorionic gonadotropin, making it appear lower than it actually is. Which means when you're testing, the control line may not appear, giving you an invalid test result, which may be read as negative when it's actually positive. But wait, there's more, because it doesn't just stop with pregnancy tests. This is your thyroid. These obscenely high levels of biotin can make it seem like TSH is too low or your T3 and T4 are too high, which can lead to the wrong diagnosis or medications that are dosed improperly. And this is an equal opportunity problem because if you're a person with testicles, you're still on the marketing roster. And that's important to know because whether you're male or female, I'm betting you have a heart. And since heart disease is the #1 killer in the world, you're likely to have a run-in with it. But if you're taking these and you have a heart attack, the biotin can interfere with a troponin test, making it look artificially low. And that's bad because the troponin is an indicator of how bad the heart attack actually was. Oh, it's my first house. It's a lot smaller than I remember it. If you've recently been in for hormone testing, looking at estrogen, progesterone, or testosterone, and you're taking one of these supplements, you might want to give your doctor a call. Because you guessed it, biotin can make these levels seem lower than they actually are. My fingers are crossed because I'm hoping a doctor or nurse told you this along the way, but it doesn't always come up. This is a list of all the tests that biotin might interact with. I'd like to say it's a complete list, but you're going to have to talk to your doctor to make sure. Now for a little good news. This is typically a supplement issue. In order to get this from food, you'd have to be eating a metric crap ton of liver or like brewer's yeast. However, it may not be specific to these hair nail formulas. So if you're taking any kind of vitamin supplement, you might just want to make sure it doesn't have these macro doses of biotin in it. The recommended daily allowance, the RDA of biotin in the US is 30 micrograms, not 2,500 micrograms. You want something that's like 100%.